Hey guys, we've got the randomizer for the cards from Heritage Hobby Mixer, 15 bucks in total. Just going to go through these real quick. So the cards with multiple teams on them. Thankfully we had two of this, Jorge Mateo and Edward Olivares. So that means Padres and Royals will each get one of those. But the ones that we have to randomize tonight are going to be NL or 2020 Rookies Stars between Giants, Diamondbacks, Twins. We have two of that. So whoever is first and second in the randomizer after we roll the dice to see how many times to randomize will get one. So one of the three will not get one. Two of the three will. Same thing for this card with David Garcia, Anderson, Javier. And then this one will be randomized between Royals, Indians, then Red Sox, Rangers, then Nats, Braves, and Pirates, Reds. So we will first roll the dice to see how many to get. And it's going to be randomized 10 times. So first up will be for the Joey Bart, Varsho, Jeffers. Again, whoever is first and second after 10 randomizers will get those cards. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So congrats, Lee and David. You each get one of those cards. Next up is going to be a pair of Garcia, Anderson, Javier cards. So between three buyers, again, whoever's first and second after 10 will receive those 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Congrats, Tony and Lee. Next up will be Royals Indians for Mackenzie Bubik card. Whoever's first in this after 10 will get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Matthew D. Congrats. Then Red Sox Rangers for this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 goes to Pat. Then for the Nationals Braves for the Pache Garcia card, same thing, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congrats, Braves. Nathan B. You get the Pache card. And last but not least, Reds Pirates division rivalry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congrats, William. You get to keep Ryan Hayes. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.